Welcome back, everybody. We're here at the 27th annual Pueblo Chile and Frijoles Festival in Pueblo, Colorado. Having a blast. We got the Blackstone Griddle fired up. Getting ready to make some green chili chorizo breakfast street tacos.
Let's give it a try.
Alrighty, I diced up some baking potatoes. Baking potatoes, always the easiest potato to slice and dice. And we soaked them in water here over the last 20 minutes or so they don't turn all red and purpley. And they're perfect. I've got the Blackstone 28-inch Pro Series on medium-low. And I've got a little avocado oil. This could certainly be canola oil, veggie oil, olive oil, whatever you have at home. And straight down with those potatoes, since these are going to take the longest to cook. And we'll season those up with Blackstone's Taco Fajita seasoning, a classic Tex-Mex Southwestern seasoning with cumin, red chili, and paprika. Next, we have some chorizo, Colorado chorizo, baby, at the local grocery store. So going down with some chorizo. If you're not from the Southwest or you're not of Hispanic or Mexican lineage, you might not know what chorizo is. I grew up on the East Coast and it was all about Italian sausage and Polish sausage where I grew up. But chorizo, C-H-O-R-I-Z-O, but the Z is pronounced like an S, is a Mexican sausage. Kind of like that seasoning we talked about. Lots of cumin, red chili, Mexican oregano, and it's just perfect for anything Mexican breakfast. Oh yeah, you can see the grease starting to come out of that chorizo. Mixing up with those potatoes. We're gonna let this stuff sizzle on here for probably at least maybe 7 to 10 minutes. We want to get the potatoes crispy, and of course you don't want to mess around with ground pork. You want to make sure it's done. You can see the chorizo and the potatoes are looking wonderful. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to drop this heat down to low here. Now it's time to get cracking. I actually prefer the Southwestern egg beaters for this, but I couldn't find them this morning. So we got a couple dozen eggs here because we're going to make up a monster street-size portion of street tacos with Pueblo green chili. Let's whisk those eggs up. A little bit of avocado oil, and then straight down with my egg mixture. We're gonna go ahead and scramble these up. Mix them up with our chorizo. Alright, so it's just been about a minute and a half. You can see the eggs are just about cooked, and this is the way they do it, baby, when you're doing street tacos here. Sometimes I'll leave the eggs separately. If you're one of these OCD people that you want your eggs to look fluffy, just, you know, leave them off to the side. But we're gonna make it look traditional here, baby. We're not looking for fluffy eggs. Maybe a little more taco fajita seasoning on there. And time to pull our mixture here. Oh, man, smelling good. And of course, green chilies, baby. They're gonna be the star of the show here. I'm gonna set these down over here in our tortilla warmer with the lid on. Grab my griddle scraper. If your griddle is seasoned properly, eggs shouldn't be a big deal. See, just gonna peel those off. You got, what do we have? Maybe a pound or two of potatoes and a couple of dozen eggs. So we're just gonna go in here, take things off like so. A lot of food, right? We're at a street fair, so it might take a while to push that all into the grease cup. And then we'll just take a paper towel and direct the rest of our crumbs back there to our grease cup, like so. Put these burners down to low, open up my cabinets, pull out my Blackstone taco racks. In fact, I think I'm gonna go ahead and turn this burner off altogether. Folks, that's the beauty of having more than one burner. You can have one off, one on low. The griddle plate is still gonna conduct a ton of heat. So if you're toasting buns or doing tortillas and stuff like that, you can do that. And we'll take these taco racks, put them up here like that. So my inspiration for this video was Mission Tortillas. They actually had a Mission booth, a Mission tent down at the other end of the festival, and I'm all about these. The Mission Street Taco. We're gonna give these things a light toast here. Throw them down just a few seconds on each one. We don't want these things to get crispy. We're not looking to make a tortilla chip. We just want a really nice colored but pliable street taco. Joined by Matt. So it turns out that Matt is friends with Joey and another one of my subscribers, so he came over to hang out this morning. And they brought over some Big Jims, baby. These are the medium variety. So basically he's gonna take these, we're gonna peel off any extra pieces of skin. He'll just cut the tops off, cut the stems off. He'll open them up, and then we'll do our best to maybe scrape out some of the seeds. Not as, when you're dealing with a medium or a mild, you don't have to get them all out, okay? And then we're just gonna go ahead and maybe chop those up a little bit, because we're gonna top each one of these tacos with a delicious piece of green chili, or a bunch of delicious pieces of green chili. So these are perfect. You can see just a light accent of brown. I'm not goofing around. Again, I don't want these things to be crunchy, so a quick toast on these, and we're pretty much gonna bring these over and put them straight into our little taco racks here. See, as promised, you can see the steam coming out. The tortilla warmer does the job here. I'm gonna grab my tongs, and we're gonna go ahead and carefully load up these street tacos, okay? Might get a little messy. Tacos, it's a fine line. You don't want to overfill them to where people can't even eat the taco, but you don't want to be chintzy, right? As you can see, Matt knows his way around a chili here. Oh man, I want to eat this whole handful right now, but I'm trying not to. So we're gonna go ahead and throw these down on top of each taco. We love chilies here, folks, so we're probably gonna put a little more than what you might at home, because these guys are what they call chili heads. Matt's a chili head. He is, aren't you?
Yeah, buddy.
He's a chili head. You've heard of dead heads, parrot heads? Well, these guys are chili heads. Oh, I like to grab crema, Mexican sour cream. I don't have a fork on me, so here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna carefully drizzle a little bit of crema on there. I'm gonna go ahead and over here with my left hand, you can't see it, but I'm gonna go ahead and kill the burner altogether, because now we're just plating these bad boys up. And then I like to grab some Cholula. My chili garlic's probably my favorite, but hey, I always carry these little travel bottles with me, baby. A little bit of Cholula. You can't go wrong with Cholula. People have their favorite Mexican hot sauces. For me, it's gotta be Cholula as one of my favorites. And I'll sprinkle that on there like that.
Take a look at that deliciousness.
Oh my goodness. Come on with me, Matt. Let's go do a walk.
We'll do a walk.
Ready?
Right here.
Okay, hold on, we'll dink it, and then we do the, let's give it a try.
Let's give it a try. You can see we have people watching us too. Look at this.
I'm like, entertaining.
Don't mind us, we just like to eat in front of people.
It's amazing.
Got the hot, medium, or mild?
These are the mild Big Jims.
Can I get one? Are they for us?
Try one.
Are you selling them?
Well, we're doing a video.
We're doing a video.
Go ahead, though. Eat at your own risk.
Blackstone products.
Oh, okay.
Blackstone.
Do you?
Go ahead, yeah.
Yep. Great. Definitely.
Got a few extra Big Jims, so medium Pueblo green chili chorizo breakfast tacos, folks. If you want to grab one, thank you. Got a few extra here. Anybody? Oh, wait a minute. I need to give one to these guys. Get in there. Come on. Thank you. Otherwise, they're going to be like We've been roasting these chilies and you're not even feeding us.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Uh-oh.
Hold on, a few more, hold on. Come on. Green chili breakfast, street taco. Joey. Oh, there's one for Joey. This one says Joey. Better not leave me out. That one says Joey. Look at this. It's in there. Oh, wait, gotta get a bite on camera. So chilly. Oh, man. By the way, check out the hat. Look at this. He's not only a chili grower, a chili roaster, he's also a griddler. All right, come over here. We have one more. Here we go. They're for Cowboys fans as well, baby. Oh, it's tucked in there. You got to do a bite on camera for us, though. Oh, come on, take that bite. America's team, America's taco. So we've had a blast hanging out here at the 27th annual Pueblo Chili and Frijoles Festival. So me and my buddy Matt, we're saying praise the Lord and pass the street tacos with Pueblo green chili. That's what it's all about right there. Pueblo chili. Amazing right here. Man, this is a way of life for so many people down here. You love green chilies?
Love green chilies. It's all about it right here. None of that hatch chili.
Oh, no way. Pueblo country, baby. So just getting set up here in Pueblo, immediately recognized his name. He's been a long-time subscriber. Check out the shirt, by the way, Hannah. Focusing on this, man.
Green chilies alone just started me cooking. Incorporate with all the different meals I have, anything from Italian food, Mexican food, even American food. Throw it on some on a cheeseburger. You know, have a good old Pueblo slopper. Got to throw those once in a while, especially on that Blackstone.